In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to smoothly exit view-only mode on TradingView. We'll tackle this with a straightforward and conversational approach, ensuring you regain full control of your TradingView charts. Whether you've accidentally gotten stuck in a bar replay mode or you've switched to a minimalist watchlist mode without realizing, I'll guide you through the steps to get back to your regular interaction mode with ease. Let's begin by talking about exiting the bar replay mode. When you're in this mode, you are essentially replaying past market data, which prevents you from accessing real-time updates. A quick solution here is to look for the Jump to Real-Time button directly on your chart. Clicking this will seamlessly transition you back to live market data. Another method is to simply close the replay panel. You'll typically find an X icon on the replay panel itself. Alternatively, clicking the bar replay button once again will deactivate this mode, effectively restoring your ability to interact with live data. Now let's dive into the process of exiting the minimalist watchlist mode. Sometimes opting for a minimalist view for simplicity can hinder access to the full set of features or data you need. To switch back, head over to the settings of your watchlist. In this section, you'll need to deactivate the minimalist mode. You can achieve this by re-enabling the table view. By doing so, you'd be able to see all the granular details and data points that were hidden from the minimalist setup. But what if you're caught in another view mode, one that's disabling the interaction you desire? Here, it's critical to identify the specific mode causing the hiccup. Ask yourself if it's a split view or maybe a special trading mode like paper trading or any unique display option. Once identified, the next move would be to inspect the associated panels. Be on the lookout for buttons like the X that close panels or the same icons used to enable these modes. Settings exploration can also be very handy. Right-clicking on your chart might open a menu that leads you directly to settings pertinent to disabling the mode. Sometimes specific features have their own internal settings, where toggling off or reverting to the default could solve the problem. And don't forget about reset functions. Double-clicking on an axis or using reset buttons usually provided for zoom or layout can revert your view back to the default configuration, effectively clearing any unwanted mode without any hassle. These insights should steer you clear of any view-only frustrations and keep your TradingView experience seamless and intuitive. Let's move on to step-by-step demonstrations and see how each of these can be done in real time.